I was exposed to COVID-19. That was the first day of school. I said, why are you calling now?
Hello, Oklahoma City Public Schools community, educators, teachers, kids, families, and caregivers. We wanted to bring you some information about our return to campus plan. Moving into next week, we will return to a virtual setting. Now, I want to give you some other very important information. As we return to the virtual setting next week, we will stay in the virtual setting through the remainder of the semester for students and teachers. Now, you don't have to try and memorize all of this. We will be sending out more detailed information daily.
From the looks of this, I don't think I have to be in building.
Via the website.
Let's see what's next on the list. Beavers Bend. Are you kidding me? What? Outside the cabin. I've never been in a cabin where there's a river right outside the door. It's about 75 yards away from the back door. I knew I heard something while coming in. I knew I heard water, I just wasn't sure what it was. But now I get to see. Embrace the rising. Straighten your back, your arms, legs. Despite what the eyes see, there is strength. Raise your head and open that portal for the brave and the chosen. 10 toes down. Another dance around the sun. Dress for the day. It's time to show myself and the world that I won. I was exposed to COVID-19. I got a phone call from the district and she said, made sure who I was and all of that. Then she said, I'm calling to inform you that you were exposed to COVID-19 while at work. I said, how? Haven't been at work since, like I'm out here. She called like right before I lost service. Currently, I'm in Smithsville, right outside of Broken Bow. Went to Beavers Bend, and I wanted to record this before I go to. Anyway, she said that you were exposed. I said, how? When I haven't been in building. I'm here. She said you were exposed on the 10th. I said that was the first day of school. That was the first day that the kids came. She said yes, that she knows. I said, why are you calling now? Now. Like it's been over a week and you just now informing me? I mean, I've seen my parents since then. It's just, this is crazy. So it takes a week to let somebody know. Okay, I get it. I get it that it's relied on self-reporting, and it takes for people to call in to admit that they got it. But gotta do a better job. And she said, well, your quarantine date is over on the 24th or something like that. And I was thinking, well, it's a good thing that I'm out here, like in this place, what better way to social distance? Now, it would suck if I started feeling sick and can't drive home because I'm feeling bad. But what better way to have some therapy than fresh air, walking, just hanging out in the middle of nowhere. What is this? An empty meadow. I saw deer yesterday, not here. It's deer right there. I wonder what's up that road. Should I go? Of course I should. It's almost Thanksgiving. Guess it's time to get back home. But first, I'm walking along this path. Man, this is crazy. All right, that's the trail. That's the river. One wrong step, I'm in the water. And there would be a tree in the way. Do I go through the tree or turn around? Let me put this up. Let me put this away. There you go, boy. Let's get across that mud. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Hey, that's it. Don't you throw me off here. We were up there. Yeah, let's go.